So what can we change about this pendulum that might change the period of the pendulum? Well, one thing I like to think about, if I made a second pendulum, what could I change? I could change the length of the string. I have a pendulum here with a longer string, and I could make one with a shorter string. So that's one thing I could change, is the distance between the mass at the bottom and the pivot point. That's really what's important here, the distance between the mass and the pivot point. We could change that. The other thing we could change is the mass. We could have a heavy pendulum, we could have a light pendulum, we could have something in between, right? We could change the mass. So those are things that we could change with the pendulum. Now as I do the test, I pull the pendulum off to the side and I let go, and I want to time how long it takes for it to complete that cycle. That's the period of the pendulum. I think about, well, what could I change in the way I do the test? Well, I could do a small angle like this, or I could pull it back and do a bigger angle. So I've got a bigger angle here, and I've got a smaller angle, and that's something I could change also. So I can think of three things: the length between the mass and the pivot point, the amount of mass, and the starting angle when I release the pendulum.